isu nila generation ngukuya hii si kuelewa sindu ila siko asi kuelewa kana nise ile ku provide enabling environment nige nasi na thrive no jo kitumi kuona oyu pandu batu so ani undu twa ile ku tap the energy ya young people ame of the streets magazi me agencies magazi me leaderless magazi me tribeless me nda change me nda integrity leadership me nda transparency pandu batu address chu ije tiketi obenduka prathi to ngali kwengi ya mundu ungi desini wanduka kane wacho kwase one time mundu ungi eba yo kwete kwase two time sincerely ila amuika alame umake 75% of the country population lema kwete kwase menda transparency leadership lema kwete kwase menda integrity lema kwete kwase menda employment opportunities lema kwete kwase menda my enablewe we say the man realize their ideas wo wase mabaya wambe yacha one time na wambe ya kuma box wambe ma box wambe kwase you bios me ase one time me kwase one time me ase menda transparency leadership menda integrity leadership menda me enablewe ma realize their own dreams you go serikali is establish the thin difference between youth ame equate integrity leadership youth ame equate transparency leadership youth ame equate involved in governance may kwase one term na may kwase two term menda a thriving economy menda a thriving country where young people and young energy and youth power is harnessed and realized